You've signed the client, it's time to get to work. You may need to send them an email asking for more information or data. You may need to set up a meeting with them. You may need to access their account, so you'll need usernames and passwords, or you may need to create an account for them in various software. Whatever your next steps are, you want to have a list of tasks that need to be completed to ensure that nothing falls between the cracks. So how do we do that? How do we keep track of all the tasks we need to do in order to ensure our clients get the best service? Make a list of all the steps you have to go through every time you onboard a new client. You can also add steps you only go through sometimes. It's easier to delete steps than it is to think, what'd I miss? But a list of all the tasks will only take you halfway, and we're here to make things as smooth as possible. So how do we improve the system? Well, that's where a project management tool will be useful. In general, the way a project management tool works is that you create projects. Within each project, you have different tasks. Tasks can be segmented into groups or sections based on different criteria. Tasks can also have dependencies, so only when task A is complete, task B becomes available. This is important if you're on a schedule and need to know who's doing what and when. When you create tasks, you assign them to a team member and you can define due dates and priority. Working with the project management tool will ensure your team is always on the same page, even if you're a team of one. When onboarding a client, for example, we'll have a template that includes a list of all the tasks we need to follow. Each task will be assigned to the team member responsible. And in many project management tools, once you create the project from the template, you can set a start date and all the other dates will fall into place. You can set a new project to automatically be created for a client based on this template the minute the contract is signed or when the deposit is made and the invoice is sent. Whatever works for your process. Your team members will get notifications that they have new tasks and things just start to flow from there. Ideally, you will also want to send an email, or maybe 2 or more, to your new client with instructions of what the process will be, what timeline they can expect, and any requests you have. There are a ton of project management tools out there, and each has a methodology that's a bit different. Each has its unique perspective on how to do things. Most offer free demos or trial periods. Test them out. See which one works best for you. My tool of choice? It depends on the makeup of your team and your business and your requirements. But for my business, I use Asana. Remember, the tool is there to simplify your workflow and make your life easier.